right, everybody, gorgeous day out today. I'm taking advantage of it, especially because I'm not working right now either, so I have time to get some stuff done, especially to the car and everything else. Just take care of stuff that I need to do in life. So today's video, I put up a community post talking about how I need to fix my cold air intake. So I'll show you guys what's going on with that. Coming out to the dirty car. Look at the paint, guys. I gotta give this thing a little wash today. Got all that road salt on there. But yeah, let me show you real quick on what is going on with this cold air intake. Should be an easy fix. I'm either going to cut it and relocate the filter up closer to like above my transmission. Here, I'll show you. Okay. All right, let me show you guys a better look at this. We got all kinds of crap going on down here. I got inner fender liners freaking ripping off. So we're gonna have to do some fabrication today. But where I put that duct tape on essentially is where my tire was rubbing against the piping. So it either has to do with my fitment, obviously, because these are a wider fitment, a little bit wider than OEM, or that intake is designed for the K20 and this is the K24, so it brought the piping up a little higher. But we're gonna fab something up today. I'm not really too worried about it. I was just gonna, say screw it and make a custom short rim, but I don't want an intake, guys, going into the back anymore. And when you have full bolt-ons, the proper full bolt-ons, like cold air, header, and a 3-inch exhaust on the Ks, they run so good. So I don't want to tweak with any setups, and and then I got to do a retune. It's just kind of a hassle. So we're gonna go wash this thing today, clean the wheels up, and head up to Ma's, jack the thing up, get the wheel off, and try to start custom fabbing everything. So I have the time, might as well take care of it. And also I need to, before I start my trek down south, I need to get some new tires, because look at the inners on here. The inners are super bald. So if I hit like one nail, I'm literally getting a flat. But anyways, I got an alignment done recently. That was like 100, it was like 120 or something. So I got an alignment done, and then this, you guys are gonna notice off the bat, I took the wheel off, or the steering wheel cover off, because it started like, the stitching started coming undone and it started loosening up. I didn't really do it 100% right. So I said, you know what, screw it. And I just went back to OEM for now. So I'm gonna probably upgrade this eventually.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
It is 1 o'clock right now. I just got done with some Whole Foods hot bar lunch, and we're about to take a ride up to Mom's crib. We got this ugly WRX right here. What's goody, Bill? How you doing, brother? Absolute gorgeous day out right now, guys. Solid 50 degrees, spring-like, and we're gonna take a nice cruise. Got a nice like hour cruise basically. God. All right, pulling up to Mom's and Ben's, and it's absolutely gorgeous out right now. I ended up cleaning the car earlier. It came out really nice, came out a lot better than it was. And I'm gonna take this wheel off so I have full access to my cold air intake, because it is currently rubbing. The tire's rubbing against it right now, and there's a hole that's starting to form. So the last thing I need is for me to suck up a rock through the intake and then my engine to basically blow up. So stay tuned. Hopefully I fix this. Gonna be a little cool short video for you guys, and I might have some camera help today. Enjoy, and make sure you guys are liking. Yeah, that should be fine. All right, just getting this wheel out of the way so that we have better access to the intake pipe itself. So those are all loose. Tire shops beware. Got the next tire changer in town. All right, so this thing is absolutely wrecked right now. I showed you guys earlier in the video, but my inner wheel liner is pretty much fried. The problem is I have wider wheels and basically a different engine in here, so everything is not perfect. So there is totally some rubbing issues right now. So I don't know if I want to cut the pipe, or I might just send it with some zip ties and try to pull the pipe forward. Because if you can see, bring that in here. If you could see, if I can move this in just that much more, I should be fine without rubbing. Look at that lovely hole. Essentially what I'm thinking of doing is cutting the rest of this liner out right here. And coming over here, you guys could see that I can zip tie something to this piece here. So if I could get a zip tie over the pipe, I think I could tighten it enough to pull it forward some more. But the only problem with pushing it forward more is that looking at my clutch line, my stainless steel clutch line, you can see my clutch line right there. And if I push the intake pipe forward, it's pushing the clutch line forward, but I'm not too worried about it. So I think we're just gonna send it with that. I'm gonna cut this up right here.
Can you see it?
What I'm gonna do is just apply some duct tape over it just to keep the hole clean and not so that anything gets in there. So I'm just gonna put a whole couple layers over that, and then I can work on my zip ties, pull this thing forward. Never underestimate zip ties, guys. Look at this. This is how we did it. This budget little setup. Duct tape and zip ties. The ultimate cheapest thing, but look at how stable this thing is. There's no movement at all. So I can even go tighter on this. I'm gonna go a little bit tighter. Put a little additional rub shield right here with 3 zip ties. I know this is super ghetto, but I didn't want to mess around with any other intakes. So this is definitely going to do the trick. And I'm just literally running it to my subframe here. I got to cut this piece off, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And remember, never stop wrenching. Before I end this video, for the true test, Carly, I'm gonna have you stand right here. Is it rubbing?
I don't think so.
Oh, I'm clearing it, dude! Oh my God, it's cleared! Look at. It's hard to see. Look at the gap, guys. I am clearing it. Yes, sir. Nothing like a little budget fix. You guys know I've been budget since day one. Sometimes it gets the job done. Try not to roast me too hard in the comments.